Hello children, welcome back to Geography Revision Video, Chapter 3, Mineral and Power Resources. In this video, we are going to study about uses of minerals and conservation of minerals. Some minerals which are usually hard are used as gems for making jewelry, like diamond. Copper is used in almost everything from coins to pipes. Coins to pipe means in everything. Silicon is used in almost everything from coins to pipe. Silicon is used in the computer industry, which is obtained from quartz. Aluminium is used in automobile, airplanes, bottling industry, building, and in kitchen cookware. Mica is used to make electrical appliances and glass making industries. Iron and steel are used in every industry. Now, conservation of minerals. Minerals are the non-renewable resources. It is necessary to reduce wastage in process of mining. Recycling of metals is the way to conserve mineral resources. Overexploitation is harmful for environment as well. Now let's see measures to conserve minerals resources. Measures means steps. Use of minerals in a planned and sustainable manner. Planned means in a manageable form and sustainable means to maintain the level. Recycling of metals. Use of alternative renewable substitutes. Improvising the technology so that low-grade ores can be used profitably. By reusing, recuperating and recycling method, materials can be manufactured from minerals and by replacing other materials as well. In many cases, the cost of recuperating and recycling is much higher than continuing to extract and process minerals. At hand is a lot of material available on which how metals can be recycled and why others aren't. To find out new areas of minerals, one can always do innovative explorations for finding out the locations with the help of latest technology. In case of India, seafloor exploration and mining may yield good dividend. Let's see some other methods to conserve minerals. To reduce transport cost, processing plants should invariably be quoted in mining areas. For weighty materials like coal, it is better to convert it into coking coal or in electricity near the pit heads. People can conserve mineral resources by utilizing renewable resources, for example, using hydroelectricity and solar power as sources of energy may conserve minerals resources such as coal. There is a great scope for expansion of several mineral-based industries which open the new vista for economic development. Mineral resources may also be conserved through recycling. A good example is recycling of scrap metal. One should make use of new technological method of mining. Training of miners can be very helpful in conserving mineral resources by ensuring minimal wastage during the mining. For example, minerals include iron, oil, copper, salt, gold and lead. Substitution. One of the important way to conserve some minerals, one can substitute plentiful resources for scarce ones. Mineral resources that require a small amount of power during refining, such as aluminium, should be recycled. We know that refining activity and mining always have negative effects on the environment. It includes the destruction of habitat land, air, water, pollution. These negative impacts can be minimized through the conservation of mineral resources. International relations suffers between nations because of mineral resources. The nations where mineral resources have been discovered, financial prudence have been improved expressively. For example, Africa and UAE are the oil producing countries which are well thought out rich. The main reason is in the revenue generated from oil and its products. A non-renewable resource is a natural substance that is not replenished with the speed at which it is consumed. It is a finite resource. Fossil fuels such as oil, natural gas and coal are examples of non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are the opposite. Their supply replenishes naturally or can be sustained. Let's know about recycling. What is recycling? Recycling is a part of reduce, reuse and recycle. That is 3R or R cube you can say. It aim of the sustainable development. Sustainable development means to maintain the level of the resources. In that way we have to use. So, sustainable development of mineral resources. It is the collection and processing of unwanted materials into useful products. Minerals used for their chemical properties such as salt and fertilizer minerals are difficult or impossible to recycle. Exploitation of minerals. It refers to the use of mineral resources for economic growth. Exploitation of mineral resources at a mindless speed to meet the growing needs to modern civilization has resulted in many environmental problems. That is known as exploitation of minerals.